Hello students, myself Neeraj Misra, the computer teacher of your school, came to write back again with a new video in which I am going to explain one important topic of the chapter 2, Unit 3 and for class 10. As you know, the title of the chapter is Caring for Your Computer, and the topic about which I am going to explain is cleaning of computer. Students, as you all know, how and what is the importance of the cleanliness in our life. But it would be also very important to know how to clean our computer. As we clean our body, our clothes and so on, and we follow some important steps to clean up all the things. So we must also have to follow some important rules while going to clean our computer. So what are these rules about which I am going to explain here? First of all, suppose we are intending to clean our computer, then the first one thing, we must have to switch off our computer before starting to cleaning process. First of all, I have to switch off the system. After that, we start the cleaning job. Second one, if we require to start the cleaning process and using the liquid material to clean up the computer components, then we don't have to directly spray the liquid onto the component of the computer. We don't have to directly spray the liquid or the fluid which have been taken for cleaning the computer components. So you don't have to directly spray that fluids, that liquids directly onto the component, but have to simply take a lint-free cloth, spray that one liquid onto the lint-free cloth, and after that have to wipe the components of the computer to clean up the dust and dirt onto the surface of the computer. Next one step, next one thing, that next one precautions that is also very important to us is don't have to put any food or water near the computer. It may be the chance that the food material can be dropped onto the component of the computer, may dropped onto the keyboard, the water may dropped onto the keyboard, and it may cause the damaging of the part of the computer. So we don't have to put the eatable materials near the computer. Next one, suppose we are going to clean a particular part of the computer. So the first one thing, have to detach that one part from the computer. After that, we start to clean up the parts of the computer, clean up the component of the computer. If that one part is connected with the computer, we should not try to start the cleaning job. We should not start a cleaning job if the component of the computer is connected with the computer. So first of all, have to disconnect the part of the computer. After that, the cleaning process should be started. Next one thing, we should not directly touch the circuit board with the open hand. We should not directly touch the component of the electronic component of the motherboard, circuit board of the computer. It may be the chance that you may get the electric hazard, and that may cause some problems to you. That's why it is suggested you to, if you require is to touch any part of the computer, any circuit of the computer, you simply have to put a gloves in your hand. After that, you start this kind of work. Next one thing, we should regularly clean up the keyboard, mouse, and the other components of the computer. Regularly periodically you have to clean up all the important devices of the computer. And applying the most important process, applying the process, a correct process of cleaning, about which I have already discussed. I have to use the lint-free cloth, and use that one cloth is to clean the surface, clean the parts of the computer. Next one thing, if you require to clean up the internal part or the external part of the computer, we always have to use the gloves. There should be the plastic gloves in your hand. After that, have to start this one process. Next one thing that is too important to you. If you require to clean up the keyboard, because while going to clean the different parts of the computer, the keyboard is a very important part of the computer that must be cleaned periodically. So if you require to clean up the keyboard, have to use the proper cloth to wipe the surface of the keyboard, because the dust or the dirt may cause the damaging of the keyboard. Suppose we require to clean the mouse. So mouse should be also cleaned in the proper way. First detach the mouse from the system. After that have to use a proper cloth to clean up the mouse. Same process should be applied also in the CD, DVD, digital camera, and so on. Because if you require to clean the lens of the camera, so always be careful. There should not be any scratch on to the lens of the camera. This is very important to you. So this way you have to adopt the proper method is to clean up the components of the computer and make your computer free of dust. One more thing, basically we may use the air blower to clean up the dust from the keyboard or the internal part of the keyboard. The air blower can be used, but we don't have to use the regular vacuum cleaner, because it may damage the parts of the computer. So we don't have to use such kind of a device to clean up the computer components. So some other methods may also be very important to you, but this all important method may help you to make a computer safe and sound from the different errors or the damaging. So have to adopt all the methods. In the next video, I shall come back with the new topic. So till have a nice day and thank you.